Tell me what's going on.
Well, this wall you see right here.
Well, let's see. And what's over there? Oh, wait. Where'd Daddy go?
Oh.
So Daddy is right here
What?
with this giant
What?
sheet.
What have you guys done?
What have we done?
We have been doing
Demolition.
that.
Oh my God. That wall is going away.
Hello.
There's our kitchen cabinets.
Hello. I'm right here.
Oh, Walker, give us a tour.
On your right or left, you will see the broken window.
Oh my gosh.
And anywhere on a 360 degree in this, standing in the middle of this room, anywhere on a 360 degrees, you will see nothing but our wall.
Well, and then let's look up. Look up. Oh my golly. There's nothing up here.
Oh my golly. Oh my golly.
Wow. Look at that.
That beam does not look sturdy.
And then here, the mystery of what was behind that thing.
What thing?
Well, we had that post in the middle of our kitchen, remember? And here is what was in it. It's a big pipe. It's a big pipe. Goes all the way up. Yep, there's our window.
Dad,
And
Yeah.
is it safe to come out?
that's where the
Yeah.
sink used to be.
It's not so much that. It's just I want to make sure the cats don't get trapped.
And there's our door. All right. This was the first day of demolition.
On the first day of
There we go.
demolition, my true love gave to me a wall that is getting teared down.
I guess we're getting a new kitchen. Yep. All right. Just so you can see our house.
Remember that curtain's from
Bye.
that's